ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ የአደይ ስታር ቤተሰቦች በያላችሁበት የዓለም ጫፍ ሰላም፣ ፍቅር፣ ጤና እየተመኘው በዚህ ቪዲዮ ሁለት ደስ የሚሉ ነገሮች፣ አንዱ የሚታወቀው የአይሾው ስፒድ ወደ ኢትዮጵያ መግባት ብዙዎች እያነጋገረና እየታየ ያለ ነገር ነው። ሌላው ደግሞ ጆን ዳንኤል እና አዶናይ በአደባባይ ታርቀዋል። እሱንም በቪዲዮ አካትቻለሁ። እንደሚከተለው ይቀርባል። ተከታተሉት። ላይክ፣ ኮመንት፣ ሳብስክራይብ አትርሱ ቤተሰቦቼ። አመሰግናለሁ።
We are here in Ethiopia, chat. Let's go, chat. We live in here, chat. Let's have a good day today, man. Let's have a great day, bro. We are finally here in Ethiopia. Y'all boys been telling me to come. Boys been telling me to let's go. Chat, y'all been telling me to come here for the longest, bro. And I'm finally here. So, chat, turn me up. Let's have a good day and let's get right, bro. Come on, chat. Turn me up, bro.
በስተመጨረሻም እንግዲህ አይሾ ስፒድ እና አይሾ ኢትዮጵያ ተገናኝተዋል። በርካቶቻችሁ እንግዲህ እንደምታውቁት አይሾ ስፒድን የሚመስለው አይሾ ኢትዮጵያ አይሾ ስፒድ ወደ ኢትዮጵያ እንዳይመጣ እንግዲህ መረጃው ስላለው አስቀድሞ እንግዲህ አይሾ ስፒድን ለማግኘት እንግዲህ ከነ አዶናይ ጋር ዝግጅት እያደረገ ሲጠብቆም ነበረ። እናም በአሁኑ ሰዓት አይሾ ስፒድ እና አይሾ ኢትዮጵያ ተገናኝተዋል። እስኪ ሲገናኙ ምን እንደተፈጠረ ቪዲዮውን ቀንጨብ አድርጌ ላሳያችሁ።
This guy is free, he's fire, he's got the dog in him, man. Can you give him a chance, bro? He can be international, I believe in him, man. He's the biggest, the greatest, the littest, the illest, the fire! Yeah!
Look. I really appreciate you representing me in Ethiopia, bro. Cause look, I don't know why. Bro, who your dad? Bro, hey, I'm about to show you a picture of my dad and let me know have you.
Okay, where's my phone?
It's okay, but look. I'm gonna give you a chance, okay, bro? I'm gonna give you a chance, bro. Let's all take a picture, bro. All three, bro.
Who's this? Is this from your mom or your dad, man? Is this from mom or dad? Hey, who's this? Who your mom? Who your dad? Back up. Who is this? And who's your dad? Who the fuck? Hell no. What's going on? Hey, you need some help. You need some help.
What the hell's going on?
I can't believe you didn't whoop
Who
your
the
ass.
hell is this?
You know, she's a bitch. For you, how will you?
Hey, you gonna feed it in your mouth. Huh? Well, me next. How it taste? It tastes good? Yeah. I'm gonna watch him.
It's very spicy, isn't it?
It better taste nice. All these emotions.
So why is it good? Why is it good though?
Because we are in 2018, our calendar.
What?
Yeah!
እዚህ ጋር 2018 ዓመተ ምህረት
2018
በጣም ይደነቃል። 2026
We have
በጣም ተደንቋል። በቃ 2018 እንዴት
Nah, you trolling. It's 2026.
በጣም ይገረማል ማለት ነውና
It ain't 2026.
Ethiopia, you're not.
Wait, hold on. Wait, we in the past?
You time travel. This is science fiction.
You're 7 years younger.
Yeah. 8 years younger now.
What?
This is why you're energetic.
It's
ስለዚህ
2018.
13 ዓመቴ ነው ማለት ነው የሚለው።
That's why I'm feeling like this.
Exactly. You feel a bit different here?
So Fortnite just came out. Fortnite just came out. Oh my gosh. So Ronaldo is still in Real Madrid. Chat. Everything is in the past here.
How old are you? It's 2018.
I was 13. So I'm 13 years old.
Imagine all the things you could do in the next 8 years. Gotta stay here.
I'm 13, chat. Oh, I'm about to go back to school.
And also there's
Chat, in all seriousness, chat, I'm having absolutely fun in Ethiopia, bro. It's been an amazing trip. The energy here is great. You know, the locals are great. They're fun, man. And it's been amazing, bro. You know, and the stream technically just started, you know what I mean?
Hey, he from a whole different multiverse. He from a whole different. Look at him. He not playing. He not playing with you, bro. So you can't play with him. You can't play with him, bro. You can't play with him. So lock in, G. Lock in. You can't lose Ethiopian speed, bro. Look at him. Come on, bro. He not playing. He really.
The toilet. Y'all play for a team? Are y'all athletes? Hell. What y'all do? Five? Y'all run?
Yeah. Speed. These are legends.
Really?
Legends. Sisters.
Y'all sisters?
They're sisters.
All three y'all sisters?
4, 5.
5 sisters?
They hold world records.
What?
Let's go. I do it.
አይሾ ስፒድ እንግዲህ በአሁኑ ሰዓት ከላይ እንደምትመለከቱት በፒያሳ አድዋ ሙዚየም አካባቢ ከፍተኛ የተባለ እንግዲህ ደማቅ አቀባበል ተደርጎለታል። እንዲሁም የተለያዩ ብሔር ብሔረሰቦች ባህላዊ ጭፈራ ዝግጅት እንግዲህ አቅርበውለት አብረው ሲጨፍሩም ነበረ። እናም በሱ ኢነርጂ ልክ እንግዲህ ሌሎች ሴቶችም ከሱ ጋር አብረው ሲጮውና ሲጨፍሩ ታይቷል። በዚህም እንግዲህ ገና ካሁኑ የስፒድ የኢትዮጵያ ጉብኝት አሪፍ እንደሆነ ይገመታል።
22? Okay, 22. So 20, okay.
You better than me?
No.
How old are you?
No, I'm 20. How old are you? How old are
I'm
you?
y'all firstborn. I'm the OG. 25.
You 25?
That's right, man.
You 25?
That's right, man.
So you big, bro?
Yeah, I'm big, bro.
I'm the youngest.
I'm big, bro. I'm big,
He
bro.
big, bro.
I'm big. That's why I be separating y'all when y'all be doing too much.
Oh.
Yeah, you feel me?
Nah, you ain't 25. You do not look 25. You like a teenager.
Take that back.
I'm having absolutely fun in Ethiopia, bro. It's been an amazing trip. The energy here is great. You know, the locals are great. They're fun, man. And it's been amazing, bro. You know, and the stream technically just started, you know what I mean? It's only, what, 4 o'clock? It's only 4 o'clock. I started 2 hours ago. No,
Yes,
no,
yes,
I ain't.
yes. Hey! Yes, let them come.
Yes.